Hello. So for this video naman, since we already talk about yung mga basics natin, ngayon naman magkakaroon ka ng challenge. So yung challenge na ito is tinatawag natin siyang movie ticket price checker. So yung problem description, write a C++ program that asks the user for their age and whether they are a student. So para matanong mo siya, kailangan yung sagot niya is 1 for yes, 0 naman for no. So ito naman yung pricing rules. If the user is 12 years old or below, so kung 12 pababa, yung ticket niya 100. Kapag naman yung user ay student siya, regardless kung anong age niya, yung ticket niya ay 120. Automatic 'yun, basta sinabi niya student siya, 120 'yun. Regardless kung ano yung age niya. If the user is a senior, siyempre age 60 and above, yung ticket niya ay may 80 pesos. Then, otherwise, ticket price is 150. Okay, so note, use if, else if, and logical operators were needed. So ito yung example output natin. So mag-enter tatanungin natin yung user to enter yung age niya. Pag nalagay niya 10, no? So nandito tayo ngayon, pasok tayo sa 12 years old below. So sabi niya 100 yung pricing. So since 10 lang siya, and then student ba siya? Hindi, kasi naka-zero siya. So it's a no. So your ticket price is 100. So same thing lang. So magbe-base lang tayo sa age niya, titignan natin kung ah student ba siya or hindi. Kapag student siya, regardless of age, 120 po yan. Sabi dito sa ating instruction, if the user is a student, regardless of age, ticket price is 120. So, example, input number 3 naman, 65. Ito yung senior natin, hindi na siya student, so automatic 80 po yung value ng kanyang ticket. Okay, so ngayon naman, enter your age, 35. Then, student, hindi. So automatic 150 yan. Kasi sabi dito, otherwise ticket price 150 kapag hindi siya pumasok sa mga first conditions na meron tayo. So ito yung problem na kailangan mong gawin, no, para part ng practice. Ma-practice din yung logical thinking na meron ka.